It only takes a moment to feel your best, to look your best, to be ready for anything. Monate Black is the perfect choice because gentlemen should always be their best. Monate Black 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner is a complete 2-in-1 system that cleanses and conditions the hair while maintaining essential moisture and balance for youthful, healthy hair. Apply a generous amount to wet hair from scalp to ends. Black Cream Shave. Apply and smooth across skin. Shave, rinse, feel invigorated. Is a rich and soothing cream shave that leaves skin smooth, sleek, and revitalized. It provides a close, comfortable shave and helps to soothe the skin. It also moisturizes skin, making it feel silky and never greasy. Black Aftershave and Moisturizer. Apply a small amount to entire face and neck after cleansing or shaving. Is a rich and velvety aftershave plus moisturizer that helps to soothe skin. Black Room Styling Clay. Work a small amount of product into your hands and distribute evenly through damp or dry hair. It provides a lightweight, pliable hold and helps to make fine hair look and feel thicker. Monate Black, exclusively for men. Rugged sophistication.